What's your name, buddy?
Kita mana na? So ayan guys, kakarating lang namin galing bakasyon. Ngayon ay pupunta kami sa school. Pupunta kami sa school kasi ano nila ngayon? Popsicle day with principal. Right? Are you excited, Put?
Yeah.
Or you are excited for the popsicle?
I'm excited.
Ice cream there.
I know.
So, alam niyo guys, hindi na kami nagbihis. Kasi wala na rin kaming time. Ayan si Clint, oh. So, andito na tayo sa school.
Yeah, in case there's any like stuff on.
Popsicles with principal. Bata guys, oh. Excited na sila sa popsicle.
What's your name, buddy?
Kita mana na?
You see a blue thing on some.
Wow.
Me and Max starting at the same track.
Popsicle, Nate. Is that good?
Wait, is it new?
So, ito yung playground. So, ayan guys. So, ang haba ng pila nila. Hindi na kami pumila kasi nauna kami sa ano ko doon kanina. So, maganda talaga pag maaga dumating. Wow! Can you go up?
Flying. Not flying.
Be careful! Oh my!
Kate, where are you? Over here. Oh.
Nate!
I'm a 5-year-old.
Are you 5-year-olds?
I'm 5.
Yeah.
I made it way too high for a 5-year-old. For a 3-year-old.
Yeah. Clint guys, so naglalaro siya ng basketball. Ayan, so wala nang line doon. So andito na lahat sila. Ayan yung principals nila guys. Sinitan, oh. Hey, Nate. You like going up in there? Yeah. Nathan. Go, kuya. Nathan. Let's go. It's your popsicle day, Nate.
Good.
Good. So, ayan guys. Andun na yung hobby ko sa sasakyan. And then, maghahanap kami ng ngayon pagkain. Kasi kanina pag alis namin, hindi kami nag-breakfast. So, pagdating namin ng bahay, nag-ayos ako ng mga gamit namin. Tapos, ayan. Nag-snacks lang silang dalawa. So, ngayon maghanap kami ng pagkain. Right, Pot? So, andun na yung hobby ko sa sasakyan. Go, Pot. Go, go, go. Run, run. Your daddy is waiting.
Good or bad. But when you say wow, some of those same physical traits that we're talking about, you know, they grew up and used some of the same words about his
Init.
Check you out and download the Energy app today.
This is why he works behind the scenes, ensuring every light is working, the HVAC is humming, and his facility shines. With range of supplies and
Oh, dito kami sa Waltz. Sa Waltz. $814.99. So, ito na yung pinamili namin guys, pero hindi na ako mag-grocery haul.